What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at Bed Bath and Beyond, right? So if you guys don't know, yesterday from its all-time high, it ended up dropping down to its lowest point of today. It ended up dropping around 7 to 8%, which is an insane amount. But why did it end up dropping, right? That is the real question. So the reason that Bed Bath and Beyond ended up dropping around 7-8% is mainly due to the fact that it ended up saying that it had lifted suspension of their planned debt reductions, as well as back to school shopping has not been really the same. So they have lost profit off of that. So I think those two factors really kind of hit investors. But the only good upside that Bed Bath and Beyond has is basically that investors see it as being able to reform Bed Bath & Beyond, which means that there is good potential, but currently the price it's trading at least, is that it bounces literally between $11.80 and about $11.95. So it's bouncing between the lower and the middle VWAP, which is around a little bit over 1% average. Sorry, lost my train of thought. 1% trading window. Now, I'm currently in Bed Bath & Beyond. I ended up buying it yesterday before the stock market opened because I thought, oh, okay, swing trade, see potential. I had an open position. It got close to being filled yesterday, but then it ended up not being filled, right? It ended up going to 12.37 aftermarket, which was around 3 cents away from where I wanted to get it filled at. Now, it's currently at 11.82. Now with this, I am down because my average cost is $12.27. I am down a little bit under 4%, so 3.68% on the day. I have $29,000 in this, so I'm down a little bit under $1,200 on Bed Bath and Beyond. As you guys know, I swing trade and I also day trade. Day trade, I do cut losses. Swing trades, I really don't, to a certain extent at least. The reason I'm still holding on to this position is because, while yes, it is at 11.81 now, if it drops below 11.70, then all hell breaks loose. That is my opinion on it. But if it can bounce above the middle VWAP at 11.95, that will be a great sign. That means then there is uptrend potential. And then from that point on, I can really see it going back up to at least the 12.40, 12.50, 12.30 range. So it really just has to go above 11.95, and then from there it can go above the 12s. And once it's back in the 12s, it will continue to rapidly uptrend. So that is the only good news of that so far. But if it keeps staying like this, it is not a great sign. A little anxious on it, not gonna lie, but overall, I think my fundamentals are good, so I will continue to hold my position. But that is basically why Bed Bath & Beyond ended up dropping due to the news that ended up coming out. And as you guys don't know, if we go to the 180-day chart, we can see that it did have a big drop when their earnings came out. It went from 11.45 all the way down to 7.19, which was around a 37% downtrend. And since that point, it's at its highest point. It ended up gaining 82% profit, which was obviously great news, right? So overall, Bed Bath & Beyond is pretty good, but if you also look at the point of it where it was in March, it is not great upside. But currently, it is down a decent amount of percentage from its highest point. But obviously, I really do think it will stay in the 12 range and kind of uptrend. It's at 11.84 right now. So it should stay in that range. So overall, I am optimistic about it. But obviously, do your own research before. Don't just take my advice on it, or don't just trade off of my positions. Because as you can see, also I have red days, which is not great. I don't just share my green days. I also share my red days. And right now, the swing trade is quite red, down $1,151 on the day for this particular stock, while my Apple and TQ's position ended up selling off in the green of around 1.5% each. Right now, Bed Bath and Beyond is my largest position size of close to $30,000, while CLF I'm only in with $15,000, where I'm currently up 0.78%. So overall, just want to give that quick update of why Bed Bath & Beyond dropped, my position size on it, what to look out for, and kind of the chart to see. And it's back at 1181, right? If it breaks that resistance, that will not be a great sign. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and try to stay away from red days. Peace out.